how to curl the ball in eFootball. So this is what I'm going to be showing you today. So the first thing you need to know is if you're using your phone, then it's mostly done through touch controls. So in order to curl the ball or to get a curved shot, you just need to tap on shoot, and while shooting, swipe slightly left or right on the shoot button. This adds curve to the shot. So left swipe is curl left and right swipe is curl right. You also have the option of curved pass. You can just press pass or through pass and slightly adjust directions using your joystick. So this angles creates natural curves. So if you're using controller or PC, then you just need to hold the shoot button and at the same time move left stick right or left. So this adds the curl. So if you want a finesse shot, then all you need to do is hold R1 or RB and then you shoot. So on when to use the curl, you just need to know when you're outside the box, you must angle to goal, and when you're on 1 versus 1 with keeper. So common mistakes with this is that too much power, so ball goes wide, so it might not always be preferable to use this, and also using your weak foot. So shooting straight instead of angled, that also creates a problem. So this way you can successfully curl the ball in eFootball. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.